Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Catnap on Dress to Impress. So go and change your skin color to just plain black, and then you're going to get these like leggings and you're going to color this like purple, and we're going to get this, and we're also going to color this purple, and I'm going to get these gloves and I'm going to color that purple like so. And then we're going to need these like fur boots, and we're going to color this purple. For the shoes I'll just be using this one. I mean, it doesn't really matter what shoes you wear. Well, I guess you can use like these like tall ones if you want, but pick the tallest one. Okay, because we're just trying to make it like super tall here. Then we're going to use this, whoops, wrong one. We're going to use this mask, select no feather, and again we're going to color that purple. And outside of here, we are going to need this one, where we're going to select the third toggle. And we're also going to need these ears as well, like so. And then we're going to select the cattail from VIP. Whoops, wrong color. Okay. Then I'm just going to add like a hair, so go to masculine and we're going to select this one, and we're going to color this purple. Then with custom makeup I'll just use these eyes, and that's pretty much it really. If you don't like the boots you can take it out, but I guess it just makes it a little bit taller. Go to the Halloween pose pack and make it even taller with the tall pose like so. Again, if you don't like the heels, you can definitely remove them. I actually don't like it with that, so I'm just gonna use like some other shoe for it. Maybe these Uggs, I don't know, but that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.